डेटा बोलता है 2014 के बाद. Data speaks. This is our video number 11 on direct taxes. प्रत्यक्ष कर. The direct taxes of center and direct taxes of states. Center charges direct taxes separately and states also charge direct taxes. Center's direct taxes, major taxes are corporate tax, income tax, capital gains tax, maybe minor others, but major are corporate tax, income tax, capital gains tax. Direct taxes of states are professional tax, stamp duty on sale of property, luxury tax, entertainment tax, motor vehicle tax, tax on agricultural income, and tax on mineral rights. Data has been taken from RBI website. Basic purpose is to see the trends both for center and state 8 years before 2014 and after 2014. Let us see the trends. Direct taxes of center, states and total. This orange line is for states and blue line is for center taxes, and this is the total. Gray line is the total. Before 2014, blue line of center tax and states taxes were also rising at a steady rate. Total was also rising at a steady rate. But after 2014, the major setback was COVID-19. During 2019, 20, 2021, center's direct taxes were starting falling and they were at the lowest in 2021. But if we note states taxes were not falling at all. States were charging as they were charging. There was a no fall. So if we can see the gray line also, the total of center and state, they have fallen in 2021, but states taxes were not falling at all. They were almost at the same rate. Let us now observe the actual data. Actual data is in crores. Center's direct taxes in 2006-07 were 2,30,249 crores and states direct taxes were 38,829 and total direct taxes were 2,69,078 crores. In 2013-14, center's taxes rose to 6,38,548 and center's taxes rose to 88,231. The total was 7,26,773. If we see the compounded annual growth rate, annual compounded growth rate was approximately 14.5% for state, center and total. Before 2014, the continuous rise was 14%. But after 2014, center's taxes were 6,95,744 in 2014-15. They rose to 11,08,000 in 21-22. The compounded growth rate was 6.15%. States' direct taxes in 2014-15 were 1,07,696 and rose to 2,03,449. The rise was 11.04%. See, states' taxes growth rate was 11%. So, states after 2014, they did not decrease their taxes. They were 14%, 14.66% before 2014, after After 2014, 11.04% growth. There was a bit fall. But as against the center, states never decrease their taxes. The total taxes, direct taxes growth rate is 6.80%. Our major concern is states never decrease their taxes. As center decrease their direct taxes, but state never decrease their taxes. Thanks for watching. Wait for the next video on a new indicator. Thank you.